There are 5 motions for the election of the deputy chairman. As per the procedure, the members who have given notices may now move them one by one, and in each case, the motion is also to be seconded by the seconder thereof. Shriman Jagat Prakash Naddaji to move the motion.
सभापति जी, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री हरिवंश को राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुना जाए।
श्रीमती एस Phongnan Konyak ji to second the motion.
Sir, I rise to second the motion.
Shriman Nitin Nabin ji to move the motion.
मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री हरिवंश को राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुना जाए।
Shriman Brijlal ji to second the motion.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. I seconded the motion.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji to move the motion.
Sir, I rise to move the motion that Shri Harivansh ji be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Shriman Surendra Singh Nahar ji to second the motion.
सभापति महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव का समर्थन करता हूं।
Shriman Sanjay Kumar Jha to move the motion.
Chairman, sir, I rise to move the motion that Sri Harivansh ji be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Shriman Ubendra Kushwaha ji to second the motion.
महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव का समर्थन करता हूं।
Shriman Jayant Chaudhary ji to move the motion.
Sir, I rise to move the motion that Sri Harivansh ji be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Shriman Milan Murli Devra ji to second the motion.
Sir, I rise to second the motion.
Honorable members, before I put the motions moved to vote, I may like to inform the House that the motions moved will now be taken up for adoption in the same sequence in which they have been moved, and at any stage if a motion is carried, the remaining motions will become infructuous and will not be put to the vote of the House. I shall now put the motion moved by Shriman Jagat Prakash Naddaji and duly seconded by Srimati S. Phongnan Konyak ji to vote. The question is that Sri Harivansh ji be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. I declare that Shriman Harivansh ji, let me complete the process. I declare that Shriman Harivansh ji has been chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now, Shriman Harivansh ji may now be conducted to his seat by Honorable Leader of the House and Honorable Leader of the Opposition. Now, felicitations to the